Hello and welcome. This is Marisol, and today I have something a little bit different for you guys. I have a travel journal. I created a travel journal for our trip to Puerto Rico, and I'm using a traveler's notebook by Ali Edwards. It looks like this. I added this sticker and the letters. The "Let's Go on an Adventure" came on the cover. I removed some pages simply by opening up the staples and then removing the pages and closing the staples back up to give me a thinner notebook. I wanted something small that could easily fit in my hand, in my purse, and easy to travel with, which is why I didn't go with a regular planner or a mini album or a mini scrapbook. I felt like this was the perfect size for this project. Throughout the project, I used this sticker book by the Happy Planner. It is called Travel, and I was inspired by At Home with Quita. She is a planner babe, and she created a travel journal for her trip to Portugal, and I was very impressed with what she did, and I decided I wanted to create one on my own. This sticker book is really perfect for this type of project. I use tons of stickers from this book and plan on taking it with me as I travel and add a few things here and there during the trip. I will leave that link for Quita's video down in the box below. Alright, let's get started. I'm covering up the dates. You guys don't really need to know when I'm leaving. This is my intro page, and like I said, the dates are underneath here. I did some stamping, letter stickers, and these are the stickers from Cartabella that I was telling you about. For the cover, I will stabilize it by adding patterned paper like I did in this traveler's notebook. This is very thin, and I think adding the paper will give it more stability. This is another traveler's notebook that I created last summer. If you're interested, I'll leave a link for that video as well. Here's my intro. This is kind of like another introduction page. I will add a photograph of us either at the airport or on the island, and let's see, I think the size is going to be 2 by 3. I think that's the perfect size for this space right here. It's going to cover up a lot of the sticker, and that's fine because we're on this side of the world anyway. And just stickers in the corner there. This page will include the details of our flights. Our flights from our hometown to JFK, and then from JFK to Puerto Rico. Here I'll write the car rental information, hotel, the time that we arrived, and any notes that I want to include will go in that space there. I'm going to write the names and addresses of the places that we plan on going to in these 4 boxes. We have a loose itinerary, and that's what I will add there. For this page, I will use these stickers here, these push pin stickers, which are so cute. I'm going to add those on the map and add it to all of the different towns that we visit while we're in Puerto Rico. I just got this off the internet, printed it on regular printer paper, and added it to the notebook. This page is a summary of our itinerary. I will write down the places that we plan on going to while we're there. This will hold notes, and it will hold our wish list, like our bucket list, other places we might want to go to in case our other plans don't work out. And I just tried to match up, stickers that I thought complemented each other in the days of the week. With this page, I plan on adding information about our resort, things I might need to bring, the amenities that are included there, and any pictures or notes as well. I'm still debating on whether I'm going to bring my printer. It's small, but it's not one of those pocket ones, so I'm not sure. I think I might leave pictures for printing pictures for when I get back. This page will include any information that I want to add, that I need to add, any quotes, any memorable moments and things like that, as well as pictures. And of course the packing list. I know this is not going to be enough space for the packing, so I created 2 pages for packing. And again, these were stickers from that sticker book, and I just trimmed them down. I got this idea from Quita. She did the same thing where she trimmed it down. She did a much better job than I did, though. Alright, and there's another page for the packing list. These stickers here are from the Cartabella collection, Pack Your Bags. I thought it would be fun to document the weather, so I added a label for each one of the days that we're going to be there. And the sticker book came with these really cute weather icons, and I thought, how else would I use them? And those are the icons. And I thought, hey, this is what I'm going to use it for. I'm going to document the weather. And then I'll add a picture here, or some notes. This page I created using a map from AAA, and it's just a map of the island with some of the towns and some of the roads. This is not the map we're going to use when we're there, but I thought it would be a nice touch in the album. And here I'm just going to use this page for travel notes. This page here, again, is for notes and quotes, pictures. I might add any, what do you call those, business cards, if anybody still has any. I'll add some of those in this page too. And the same thing here. I love this, the way this page came out. I just used the 4 large stickers and then added a bunch of circle stickers on the top, and then one down here on the bottom. This is another type of itinerary page. I think that once I make reservations for a place, I will add the time, date, name, and address and phone number of the place that we will be going to. And then this page here is just a goodbye page. It will hold the departure information for our flights. Here I'll add anything about like returning the car rental and things like that. We plan on going to the rainforest that they have in Puerto Rico, and I thought it'd be fun to print out the trail, a map of the trails. Some of the trails are still closed because of the hurricane that occurred a couple years ago, but I read online and saw that a lot of the trails are open, so we're going to make our way over there, and I thought it'd be fun to add that map. And I have one more page here for random things, and I think for the back I might add a pocket and then add memorabilia in that pocket there, and then add another page pattern paper on the back to stabilize the back cover, because this will go inside of a this is an insert and it'll go inside of a cover, and I don't want it to rip or break or anything. So there you have it. There is my travel journal. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them down below in the comments. If this is your first time here, and actually I want to welcome some of my new subscribers. I've seen that I've had some new subscribers over the last week, so welcome. Thank you for subscribing. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear where you're going to visit this summer and how you're going to document your travels. Take care, and until next time, bye-bye.